Hi, and welcome to my channel. I want to start with a question that most people never ask themselves. Why do you feel tired in a place where you are supposed to rest? You sleep for 7 or maybe 8 hours, but when you wake up, your body still feels heavy. Your mind is foggy. You feel unmotivated without any clear reason. Most people blame their job, they blame stress, they blame their phone. But today I want to tell you something different. The problem might not be inside you, it might be the space around you. Let me explain. As an architecture and environmental design researcher, I study how buildings affect the human body and mind. What most people don't realize is this. Your home is not just a shelter. It is an invisible machine constantly influencing your energy, your mood, your focus, and even your sleep every single day. Here are just 3 silent ways your home might be draining you. First, light. Most modern homes do not follow the natural rhythm of the sun. In the morning, you need strong, cool, natural light to tell your brain it is time to wake up. But many people live in the dark rooms with heavy curtains or small windows facing the wrong direction. So the brain never fully wakes up. Then at night, we surrounded ourselves with the bright white artificial light from the ceiling and screens that tell the brain the exact opposite of what it needs to hear. Stay awake. And slowly your internal clock breaks. Second, air. You cannot see this, but right now the level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in your room is affecting how you feel. Poor ventilation means higher CO2 levels, which directly reduce concentration, create headache, and make you feel mentally exhausted. Many people think they are burned out, while in reality, they are just not breathing properly inside their own homes. Third, materials and layout. Concrete, plastic, metal, sharp edges, low ceiling, crowded furniture. These elements send stress signals to your nervous system. Your body is constantly in a low-level fight or flight mode. Even when you are sitting on your sofa, you are resting, but your brain is still on alert. And over time, that constant invisible stress drains your energy. This is why 2 people can live in 2 different houses with the same job, the same hour, the same diet, and one of them feels alive, creative, and focused, while the others feels exhausted, anxious, and unmotivated. It is not personality, it is not weakness, it is an architecture. And the most dangerous part, most people will never realize that their own home is the reason they feel the way they do. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to fix this, how to read your space, and how to slowly turn your home from an energy drainer into an energy generator. Because when you change your space, you don't just change your house, you change your life. If you want to understand your environment instead of being controlled by it, subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.